Mr. Roger, I understand you're experiencing pain in your wrist. Can you describe the pain and when it started? It's a sharp, throbbing pain that started a few days ago. Mihira, it's worse when I try to move my wrist. Have you experienced any recent injuries or trauma to your wrist?
I don't recall any specific incidents.
It's important to rule out any underlying conditions. Have you noticed any swelling, redness, or warmth around the wrist?
We'll need to assess the range of motion in your wrist and examine for any signs of tenderness or deformity. I'll also recommend an X-ray to rule out any fractures or dislocations.
Will an X-ray be painful?
The X-ray procedure itself is usually painless. However, you might experience some discomfort from the positioning of your wrist during the scan. Mihira, I want to reassure you that your physical assessment shows no visible injuries. There are no bruises, cuts, or fractures, and that is an encouraging sign of your current stability. This means that, at present, there is no immediate concern about external harm, and the focus can remain on maintaining your overall well-being. The next steps in your care plan are gentle but important. We will continue to check your vital signs regularly, paying close attention to your blood pressure, heart rate, and breathing. This steady monitoring helps us notice even small changes early so that any adjustments can be made promptly and with care. It's natural to feel a little uncertain when health is being closely observed, but please know that this process is designed to protect you and keep you safe. By following the plan, we are ensuring that your comfort and dignity remain central. You can trust that each step, whether it is a routine check or ongoing observation, is part of a thoughtful approach to your care. With this steady rhythm of monitoring and reassurance, you can feel confident that your well-being is being supported with compassion and attentiveness.